I'm making this model sled out of just whatever I have in the shop. I'm not spending any money on it. I've got some 1-inch screws and some leftover particle board melamine. So let's see how it works out. If you run it through a few times, it'll rub off the spots where it's tight. You can see that black mark right there come from the top of the table saw. And those spots, I got one over here on the other side as well. You just sand off a little bit and then try it again until it runs smooth. Alright, so if you're going to use melamine like I did, it might be a good idea for you to pre-drill your holes before attaching it to the base, because when you push through on the other side, it pushes out and kind of mushrooms the underside, especially when the screw goes through. So the problem I had with the first one was when I put the screw through, it pushed up on this top part. So there's a very small gap underneath right here on the front. So I had to just turn it, power up all the way on the drill and just kind of drill down, and I might have torn out the particle board on the inside a little bit, but I think the glue will hold it well enough. But go ahead and pre-drill before, and then take your countersink bit and just kind of break away that little mushroom part. So here's the result. Looks like it's very tight up until the top. It almost looks like the board might have slipped or something. But this whole section right here is very tight. I may have to try again. I'll go ahead and try it with some smaller pieces. So this is the second piece. It's not exactly the perfect result I was looking for, but I think with some glue and some clamping pressure, it should close up nicely. Well, the results are better than what I've gotten previously with the chop saw, so I'm happy.